Just wonderful. Why is it like all messed up? Okay. She's just so pretty, oh my god. I love the photo cards, oh my god. It's just, oh my god. Like, oh my god. I'm so sorry that I keep saying oh my god, but she's just flawless. Gorgeous, and like, okay. There's a lot of airport photos. Oh, sorry. Okay, she's beautiful. Beautiful. This is too adorable, guys. Too adorable. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So that's all for the word cards, and let us leave this aside. No, I need this. Oh no, no, no. Okay, what is this? Sticky notes? Wait, is this sticky notes? Oh my god. This is sticky notes. Cute like that. Oh my god. This is, what is this? Wait, color pencils? Just, oh my god. Okay. So, this is a color pencil set. Oh my gosh, it's just dead. Oh my god. The battery. Okay, it's still okay. Oh, sorry. It's still okay. And this is a calendar. Wait. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, the packaging just broke it. Just broke it. It's just broke, literally. Okay, the calendar. So let's just leave that aside. This is the calendar. So I'll just show you the size first, and I'll show you another side later. So, oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh, too pretty. No, no, too pretty. Oh no, okay, and the other side, PK on day. Oh no, she just looked like so precious. I'm just too nervous to show you guys, so I just talk like I'm so nervous. Okay, so that's all for the calendar. So, and now, what is going on? What is this? Just go away, please, please, please. Oh my god, this just lost Pete. Okay. Okay, that's my name. So, oh my gosh, what is that? Oh my god. Who's there? Oh my. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, oh no! Okay, so this is the not photo book. Oh my gosh, this is the poster. One of the posters. Oh, oh no. This is the first poster. This is the second one. Oh. Oh my god! Okay, this is the A2 size poster. Like, both are A2 size posters. So yeah, oh my gosh, my baby. Okay, that's it. And you'll get it. That's like a spring back. So yeah. And inside is the photo book. Right. Oh, there's, oh sorry, there's still something. Okay, oh my gosh, sorry about the camera game, I'm just too excited.